Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique. If you're new to this channel, I upload videos weekly about style and travel. So if you haven't subscribed already, I would really appreciate it if you like to take the time and subscribe. So I just got back home from Hermes to pick up my Birkin from the Hermes Spa. I didn't really take a lot of footage from the store because it's always awkward, but I discovered today that they moved their aftercare service to the first floor, the ground floor, in just like a little corner. It's kind of like an afterthought, which used to be just a table for people, customers who want to sit down there and wait, you know, to be helped by an essay or something. So it's just random because when I dropped off this bag a few months ago, it was on the 5th floor. I think it was on the 5th or 4th. Yeah, one of those. It was on the 5th floor and it was just like a whole floor dedicated to aftercare. It felt really beautiful and exclusive. It felt like, you know, Hermes really cares about aftercare. According to the lady, I was talking to her for quite some time, that a lot of people complain that it was on the 5th floor because the elevator is really slow. So I don't understand why people would complain about that, and they're okay about the aftercare service being in the middle of a sales floor where everybody can know everyone's business. You know, the thing with the 5th floor is that you can go up there and just kind of like have privacy in whatever it is that you want to do at Hermes. And like on the ground floor, if somebody is like having their bags, you know, refreshed and cleaned, and then they pick it up, and because Hermes is doing such a great job, there has been cases where people think that they are receiving a back order, a back offer. So it's just very awkward. So anyway, I picked up my Birkin from the store. I can't remember exactly. I think I purchased my Birkin in 2015. I could be wrong. 2015 or 2016, one of those. Or maybe even 2018. But anyway, it is more than 5 years old for sure. So I think even though I keep it in a really good condition, honestly there's nothing wrong with it except like some scratches on the hardware, which is really normal with rose gold hardware. I find that it scratches very easily, and it shows scratches very easily, and also some white marks on the leather because of, you know, it's just the natural oil of the leather, which is really common in Togo, I read online. So that's not like nothing to be alarmed. And a little nick in the corner. When I was heading to drop off my bag, I was really rushing as well, so I didn't take the time to show you the before and the after, but honestly it was in really good condition. I just want to make sure that the leather is conditioned, that they check everything, that everything is okay. I think it's always good to take care of your pieces. So it comes in the it comes in this bag. So it comes in the shopping bag. This is, I think, my original dust bag, because I think I gave them with the dust bag and I think they kept the dust bag, so I assume this is my original dust bag. Or I will check if I have another dust bag in my bedroom and see. Then maybe this is a new dust bag. So this is the receipt. I think I gave the bag to them around April or May. I know that it was kind of like still kind of cold, early spring that time, because I was thinking, okay, if I give it to them, hopefully it'll be ready for spring. They did give me an estimate that it might be September, and they are correct because it is finished in September. So it says clean makeup plus finish bags, and the cost for that is $365 and then tax, so it comes to $397.40. So not too bad, because in my mind it might be like $1,000. So it's not too bad. It's not the cheapest thing. You could probably go to a leather spa and get it cheaper, but you know, why would you want to let, you know, another party touch your bag? Because then if anything happens, then Hermes won't touch your bag. So I would suggest, if your bags need spa and need stain removal and you know, things like that, just go to Hermes. So here it is. So here is the bag in question. You guys have seen this bag before many times. It's my only Birkin, and this is the Birkin 30 in Togo with a tan color and a rose gold hardware. It smells wonderful. It smells beautiful. You see the rose gold is now shiny. It was looking a little dull before. My mistake is also because I was in such a hurry that I didn't include the clochette and the key with the bag. But again, I never used the clochette and the key, and it stays in my drawers, so I assume it's still fine. Nothing is wrong with it. So yeah, that is my biggest mistake. But now let me show you the handle. The handle was great because I always have twilly anyway on my handle. Let me show you the bottom part. Yeah, let's see. So there was like some kind of white things coming out of the leather around here, but they're like really tiny dot, and now it's gone. And there was a nick on one of these sides. I can't remember where, but I don't see any nick now. So they have definitely took care of that. These are the corners. So beautiful. Overall, really good. Overall, really good result. I think I heard that they don't touch the inside, but let me just show you the inside. Definitely feels soft and beautiful, although it was still soft and beautiful too even before it went. So the inside gave me this little what do you call this, bubble wrap, just to stuff it. She said it's always a good idea to store the bag like this, horizontally instead of like this, because Togo, like Le Mans, has the tendency to droop after a while. Or if you want to store it vertically, then just make sure that you have it stuffed. So here is the inside, still beautiful. Yeah, overall I'm really happy. I'm happy I did this because New York is a flagship. It's always good to have it done. What could be better than New York is having it done in Paris, I guess, but then you have to pick it up. And yeah, so while I'm here, I decide to have it done because it is important to take care of your items, to take care of your pieces so they will last a long time. Oh my god, I can't get over how shiny the hardware is now, and it's now looking like more yellow than rose gold in my opinion. I don't know, am I crazy? I guess the rose gold kind of rubs off after a while, but I don't mind it looking yellow. I don't know. Tell me in the comment section below if the hardware looks yellow or rose gold to you. To me, it looks kind of yellow. I remember it being really rosy back in the day. Definitely a great experience. I would highly recommend it if your bag is at least 5 years old. If you bought your bags like 5 years or older, and even when it's not like looking like it's really worn, I would highly suggest doing it every 5 to 8 years, just to make sure that you are taking care of your bag and that you can use it for years and years to come. That's it. Like, yeah, I highly recommend doing the Hermes Spa. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about it, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you on my next one.